Hi, my name's Walther, and I'm currently a senior in mechanical engineering here at KU. And I'd just like to take a minute to talk to you about why I decided to become an engineer, and specifically why I chose mechanical engineering. Now, probably the biggest reason is because as far back as I can remember, I was always, helping my dad out around the house. He was a huge handyman. Basically, whatever might have happened, whether it's like fixing leaky plumbing or finishing a basement, and then probably most importantly for me was working on cars in our own garage rather than, taking them to a mechanic or a dealership to get any sort of repair. And so, as far back as I can remember, I was there always by his side, helping him out, handing him tools, and then learning how to use those tools and to really fix whatever the problem might be. Now, you know, what I'm most interested is in the cars and in the automotive side. And like I said, he was a big car guy, and he definitely passed it down to me over the years. And just working on the cars in our garage, whatever task that might be, I became, maybe obsessed with working on cars and learning about the mechanics behind them and everything. And kind of over the years, I've become more and more interested in more than just mechanics side of it and working on them, but I've actually become interested in, how the cars work, how they're put together and how they're designed. And so that was a huge driver and a big motivation for me. I knew I liked to do things with my hand, and I wanted to do something with my hands and also learn about how things work and be able to design cars in the future. Now, so that was the biggest thing that probably motivated me. But on top of that, my father also is by profession a mechanical engineer, and so that was a big inspiration for me as well, just being interested in the type of work he did just for his career. So that's really why I decided to go into engineering, and I knew at a pretty early age that's what I wanted to do. And now, as a senior in college, I'm actually on the Formula SA racing team here at school, designing and building race cars, which is pretty awesome. And that's exactly what I want to do for my career. So just, getting started early was definitely a big help for me. So if I have one thing to give as advice for you is it's never too early to start thinking about what you want to do in the future, especially if you're looking into engineering or some other technical type of career in the future, because the earlier you can get started, the better you can prepare yourself and really get in the mode for when you do go to college. So that's all I've got for you. Thanks a lot.